Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel where we prove that beautiful, productive gardens don't need acres of space. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. When we think of a fence, we often think of a simple boundary away to mark property lines or keep the world out. But a creative fence garden design means viewing that vertical space as a living canvas. It is the art of integrating horticulture, architecture, and personal style to turn a functional barrier into a focal point. Instead of just a wall of wood or metal, a creative fence garden uses texture, color, and plant life to bridge the gap between your home's structure and the natural beauty of your landscape. It's about maximizing every square inch of your outdoor space, turning the frame of your yard into the masterpiece itself. There are numerous benefits to investing time and energy into a creative fence design. First and foremost, it significantly boosts your property's curb appeal and overall value, making your home stand out in the neighborhood. Beyond aesthetics, a well-designed fence garden provides enhanced privacy and noise reduction, creating a peaceful sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle. By utilizing vertical space, you can grow more flowers, herbs, or even vegetables without sacrificing precious lawn area, which is a game changer for smaller yards. Additionally, these designs can provide vital habitats for pollinators like bees and butterflies, turning your garden into a thriving ecosystem that feels alive and vibrant throughout the seasons, too. Make your creative fence garden truly beautiful. You should focus on layers and lighting. Start by choosing a color palette that complements your home. Darker fences can make greenery pop, while white or light wood offers a classic airy feel. Incorporate various heights by using hanging planters, wall-mounted troughs, or climbing trellises to draw the eye upward. Don't forget the power of decorative hardware. Unique hooks, lanterns, or even waterproof outdoor art can add a touch of personality. Finally, integrated lighting is key. Adding solar-powered sconces or string lights along the fence line ensures that your creative design shines even after the sun goes down, creating a magical atmosphere for evening relaxation. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a successful fence garden. Climbing varieties like clematis, wisteria, or star jasmine are perfect for covering large areas with lush foliage and fragrant blooms. If you prefer a more structured look, consider espaliered fruit trees or tall, slender evergreens, like Italian cypress, to add architectural interest. For those using wall-mounted planters, trailing beauties like petunias, lobelia, or creeping jenny provide a stunning waterfall effect of color and texture. Succulents are also an excellent choice for vertical displays, as they require minimal water and offer unique sculptural shapes. By mixing perennials for year-round structure and annuals for seasonal bursts of color, you can ensure your fence stays beautiful all year long. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here are these, the collection of the top 10 best creative fence garden design ideas to spark your creativity. 1. The Royal Allium Border. This design features a classic black wrought iron fence that serves as a sophisticated backdrop for a vibrant floral display. The star of the show is the tall purple allium globes that peek through the bars, accompanied by elegant white tulips. This approach uses the fence not to hide the garden, but to frame a neat manicured lawn and a beautiful brick home, creating a welcoming and upscale atmosphere right at the sidewalk. 2. Modern minimalist slat wall. With integrated lighting, perfect for contemporary homes, this horizontal wood slat fence provides total privacy while maintaining a high-end look. The design is elevated by the use of built-in wooden planters and sleek modern wall sconces that cast a warm glow downward. A central artificial turf inlay surrounded by gray stone pavers adds a pop of maintenance-free green that contrasts beautifully with the warm wood tones. 3. The Enchanted Arched Gate Entryway. Transform your entrance into a fairy tale with a white picket fence topped by a grand wooden archway. This design is heavily draped in lush climbing vines and purple morning glories, creating a tunnel of greenery that leads the eye down a stone path. The base of the fence is softened by a sea of purple and white ground cover flowers, making the transition from the street to the home feel magical and organic. 4. Urban Oasis Nook. With slat privacy, this design demonstrates how a creative fence can define a cozy outdoor dining area. The horizontal cedar slats provide a warm, textured backdrop for a small seating area, while a raised stone planter box houses a delicate Japanese maple and various perennials. The clean lines of the gray patio tile and the minimalist furniture prove that even a small corner can feel like a luxury retreat when the fence is used effectively. 5. The living wall of cascading petunias. Turn a plain brown wooden fence. This idea uses a variety of pink, red, and white petunias to create a lush, textured wall of blooms. By planting at different heights, the fence disappears behind the foliage, and the flower beds at the base create a seamless transition from the grass to the vertical garden. 6. Geometric lattice with moongate accent. This creative design uses a white lattice fence to provide privacy without blocking airflow. The centerpiece is a stunning circular moongate opening that frames the view of the patio beyond. Climbing green vines are encouraged to weave through the lattice, while large-leafed hostas and garden ornaments at the base add character and a sense of shabby chic elegance to the backyard boundary. 7. Architectural pleached tree screen. For those who want a high-end, European garden feel, this design uses pleached tree trees trained to grow on a flat trellis to create a hedge on stilts above a white fence. Below the trees, a perfectly manicured boxwood hedge and large black urns filled with succulents provide a formal, tiered look. This design is excellent for adding height and privacy in a very sophisticated, structured way. 8. Moroccan lantern and pottery display. This fence design focuses on decor as much as plants. A tall, sturdy wood fence is adorned with a collection of colorful Moroccan-style lanterns hanging from wrought iron hooks. Below the lanterns, large deep red ceramic pots are filled with a variety of foliage plants, like eucharis and coleus. This setup creates a bohemian, worldly vibe that transforms a simple boundary into a gallery of light and color. 9. Bountiful hanging basket row. A simple wooden fence is given new life with a series of heavy-duty brackets, supporting massive, overflowing hanging baskets, with trailing lobelia creating a beautiful downward sweep. This is an excellent way to add instant impact and wow factor to a long, otherwise plain stretch of fencing. 10. Vertical trellis planter trio. This modern DIY-friendly idea involves mounting 3 triangular wooden planters onto a fence, each topped with a matching trellis. The planters are painted in contrasting wood stains, black, light, oak, and cherry ant, are filled with colorful pansies. Faux rose vines are woven up the trellises, creating a rhythmic and artistic display that adds a custom, handcrafted feel to the garden. Creating a creative fence garden is one of the most rewarding projects you can undertake for your home. It's about more than just privacy. It's about expressing your personality and creating a space that brings you joy every time you step outside. Whether you prefer the structured elegance of pleached trees or the wild, colorful chaos of cascading petunias, your fence is the perfect place to start your next gardening adventure. We hope these 10 ideas have sparked your imagination and given you the confidence to turn your backyard boundaries into something truly extraordinary. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. If you enjoyed these creative fence designs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration every week. Which of these designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you plan to transform your own garden fence. Also, be sure to click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.